In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to humanize ChatGPT Text 2026 full guide. If you've ever wanted your AI conversations to feel more natural and friendly, this walkthrough will help you fine-tune ChatGPT so it sounds more like a real person while staying clear and helpful. We'll walk through the personalization settings, adjust the tone and style, and finish with prompt engineering tips that bring everything together. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official ChatGPT website. Sign into your account so you can access your personal dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the lower left corner of the screen for your profile icon. Click it, then choose Settings from the menu that appears. This is your control center for shaping how the AI interacts with you. If you don't see the option right away, give the page a moment to load or refresh. Settings sometimes expand as features roll out. Inside Settings, find the Personalization section. This is where you pick how the AI behaves by default. Select Default Mode. It's designed to feel conversational without sacrificing accuracy, so your chats sound like a natural back and forth instead of stiff or robotic replies. If you've experimented with other modes before, switching back to default can instantly make your interactions warmer and more intuitive. Next, scroll down to the tone customization area. Here, set the tone to casual. This choice softens phrasing, adds a friendly rhythm, and keeps answers approachable while still professional. After making your selection, click the ChatGPT logo at the top to return to the main interface. Start a fresh chat and say hello or ask a simple question you've used before. You should notice responses feel more relaxed, with clearer transitions and a bit more personality. If something sounds too laid back for your needs, you can always come back and fine-tune the tone. To push realism even further, use prompt engineering. At the start of a chat, include a brief instruction that sets expectations, like asking for concise, friendly explanations with examples, or requesting a step-by-step breakdown in plain language. The more specific you are about structure, voice, and level of detail, the more tailored and human-like the replies will be. Test a short prompt, review the result, and then refine your instruction to emphasize pace, clarity, or depth. Revisit these preferences periodically, especially after system updates, so your setup stays aligned with new capabilities. And that's it. With a few thoughtful adjustments, personalization, tone selection, and clear prompts, you can transform ChatGPT into a more conversational, human-like